The cat is very hungry. This is the chicken bone, and you know the cat loves the bone, chicken bone. You can see here, these are all chicken bone, and she cat. It's not a he cat, and the cat love very much to eat bone, because cat loves to eat a fish bone, any kind of bones. You can enjoy this video. This video is for a documentary video, and you can share this video to your friends and family, and you can keep this video for the documentary.
घड़ी ছাড়বে না লাল লাল কেন কাঁচা নাকি এগুলা কাঁচা
বিলাই শোনে না। সাইডে দে থালা থেকে। এহে কাটাটা দে। খেলো না তো, শুকিয়ে গেছে। হাই। নে খা, এটা খা, এটা খা, এই যে খা, এই যে খা। His leg, he is wounded, and he is very tired. He is in bed. Because one leg is just like the upper, you can see here.
খাস না